Wow, I've been doing so good learning these insanely difficult grammar points and memorizing these incredibly long vocabulary words. Japanese 1402 is going to be an easy A for me this semester. Yabai. Obviously, learning another language is not going to be easy, but I've really been struggling this semester with my college Japanese 2 class. Not only is this class online, which is terrible for learning a language because I can't really speak Japanese, asking questions is through email, so it takes a long time for a response, but I'm also really busy with the 4 other classes I'm taking this semester, as well as community service time and working. It's been hard to find time to study. I've had 3 breakdowns this week over Japanese homework due to not being able to understand the grammar points correctly or just not knowing what the vocabulary words mean. But there really are no valid excuses. Yeah, I'm taking this class to get a credit to finish my English degree, but I'm also taking Japanese for myself. I want to know the language and I want to be able to use it when I move to Japan. Learning Japanese is really important to me and I want to expand my knowledge on it so bad. So why do I suck? The 3 main issues that I've found I have are a horrible memory, fear, and procrastination. In that order. Because my memory is sometimes comparable to Dory from Finding Nemo, it intimidates me. This leads to fear of not being able to learn Japanese because I forget everything, which leads to procrastination because why start something that I am just gonna fail at? All of these things really suck, but guess what? They're all fixable. Actually, in some ways, they're not even true. I remember more Japanese than I think. Like when watching anime, I'll recognize some of the words they say, even key phrases. Or when reading sentences in my textbook. Most of the time, I can understand what they're saying, it's just hard for me to bring it out of my head in order to speak it. Though I personally struggle daily with memory issues, there are ways to get around it and improve my memory in order to learn Japanese. How? That's what I'll be testing over the next couple of months on this channel. I'll be trying different methods of learning Japanese and improving your memory to find out what works best for me while sharing the positives and negatives for each method. If you think about it, once I figure out how to memorize and learn Japanese, the fear and procrastination part kind of goes away. I have the motivation, you guys really don't know how bad I want to learn Japanese. I just have to find out what method works best for me. I'll catch you in the next video where I find out just how bad I really suck at Japanese.